Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to remove or uninstall extensions or add-ons from Opera browser in Windows 11 or 10 PC. To do this, first open Opera browser on your Windows PC, then click on this one menu icon in the top left corner, and in the menu select extensions and then click on this one extensions. Under extensions page, you will find all the add-ons or extensions that you have installed on your Opera browser. To remove any extension, under extension, click on this one remove button, then confirm by clicking on this one remove button. Now that particular extension will be removed from your Opera browser